CurtisDonDeano, and today we're going to be doing a short unboxing for these what they call it? Nike Air Max 97 UL17s, gym red, blah 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 blah. Suggested retail $160. Sound about right. So these came right in time for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna turn the brightness down a little bit, but I'm gonna definitely do some product shots, so y'all should be okay. But yeah, so you get a pair of Air Max 97s, and then they got like this red leather. Let me just get a little closer. It's got like this soft red leather right here, and you got like a darker red. It does feel more like a plastic type, vinyl type of thing. And then you got like some foamy material, but they just look so comfortable, don't they? I don't really like, it's something about these shoes I ain't like too crazy about, but they look real good on your feet, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then also what I really like is how they got like the red inside the bubble. They just look so clean. I don't know why these shoes remind me of cake. Don't they kind of look edible in a way? Like the red and then the more red. It reminds me of a strawberry. I might just be hungry as shit. I haven't ate anything today. But yeah, so these are just this cop, the cop of the day. And you can kind of see inside the sole, you got some writing inside of there. Then you got the actual foot of the shoe, sole of the shoe, rather. Very comfortable shoe, you know. Let me see. I like to see, like, if you press down, does the air bubble do anything? No, not really. You probably got enough weight. If you put enough weight on them, like, you know what I'm saying? It's good to see that. But, yeah, so I'll probably do an on foot in the house. And then that's all we'll probably be getting today. So, turn on one foot. Alright, boss dons, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. But what I want y'all to comment specifically is what shoes, what colorways in these shoes do y'all like? Because, I really love the olive green ones. I love the rose gold, pink colorway. So just let me know what was your favorite colorway of these. Oh yeah, then I also like the all black ones. But just let me know what y'all or your favorite colorway of these were. Do I have anything else to say? Oh, if you do like my content, be sure to pledge anything that you can to my Patreon. It helps us get more videos, better quality content, and just like doing other stuff besides sitting on the couch and talking about shoes. So, other than that, what else we gotta talk about? That's it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. As I already said, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.